All of you, exercise 10.5. Here you will be see the angles. That first question is that diagram is given here. By the diagram you will be understood everything. That is a center point, and then this A, B, C, O, obviously that will be O, this is the D, and then angle 60 and 30, this is the 60 degree and this is the 30 degree. So we need to find that angle ADC, so that angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, angle BOC is equal to, that is given 30 degree in this question, and then we need to find that angle ADC is equal to, that is a half of that sum of both angle, 60 plus 30 is equal to 1/2 into 90, that will be 45. So that 45 degree. I am again explaining that one by that triangle, so that this angle will be half of this angle. It means this is a, suppose this is a 60 degree, so this will be 30 degree. This is the property of, this is the theorem of angle subtend center to half of that subtend on circle. And the second question, a chord of a circle is equal to the radius. So first of all we will draw the circle and chord are equal to the, this it means all are the equal, that means must be, this will be 60, A, B, C, D, O. Find the angle subtended by the chord of a point on a minor arc and also the at the point on the major arc. So that minor arc, for minor arc we will find that angle ACB is equal to half of this one. So 60/2, that will be 30 degree. This is the 30 degree answer. For major arc, first of all we will find the reflex angle. Reflex angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 60, that will be 300. Now that angle ADB is equal to half of this angle, then 150. So this is 150 degree. Another answer is this one. Third question is diagram given here. That is a center, and then this is a 100 degree, PQR, that is a O, and then we need to find that angle OPR is equal to, OPR means we need to find this angle. So given angle is that angle PQR is equal to 100 degree. So that we can find this angle by double. So reflex angle POR is equal to, that will be 2 multiply 100. 2 multiply 100 is equal to 200 degree. Why I have written here reflex? Because that's greater than 180 degree. If your angle will be greater than 180 degree, then you will be write the reflex. So angle POR is equal to 360 minus that 200. So that will be, find that POR, that will be 160. And then angle OPR plus angle ORP plus angle POR is equal to 180 degree by the sum of angles of triangle property. so that these both angle are equal because these two sides are equal. So angle OPR plus angle OPR, yes, plus 160 is equal to 180 degree. Here we will write PO is equal to RO, and then 2OPR is equal to 180 minus 160, that will be, so that angle, and then here angle OPR is equal to, the subtraction of that will be 8 plus 2 20 upon 2 tangent, so that will be 10 degree answer, that is OPR. Question number 4. This is not a difficult question, these are the very easy type of questions. Question number 4, that diagram is given that BC that is 69, and then this is the 31, BCAD, angle ABC is equal to 69, angle ABC is equal to 69 degree, angle ACB is equal to, that is 31 degree. So we need to find angle BDC, that one angle we need to find that. So angle A plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree by sum of angles of triangle property. We have taken this one triangle, so that angle A is equal to, plus 69 plus 31 is equal to 180 degree, and then angle A is equal to 180, then minus 10 0, and then 9 10 degree. So angle A is equal to 80 degree. Okay, by the same base, by same base BC, if the base is same, then angle D is equal to angle A is equal to 80 degree. This is the answer. Question number 5. Diagram is also given here. This is a circle, and then this is a 20 degree, this is a 130 degree, and then A B C D E, that angle BEC is equal to 130 degree, that is given. Angle ECD is equal to 20 degree, angle ECD is equal to 20 degree, that is also given. So by linear pair, angle BEC plus angle CED is equal to 180 degree, that by linear pair. So angle BEC is given 130 degree plus angle CED is equal to 180 degree. So angle CED is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So angle CED is equal to, that will be 50 degree. So we have find this one angle. Now sum of angles of triangle, this angle, that will be 50 plus 20 plus angle D is equal to, that is 180 degree by sum of angles of triangle property. So angle D is equal to 180 minus 70. 180 minus that will be 70. So that this angle will be angle D is equal to 110 degree. 110 degree. But we need to find that angle A. So by same base BC. BC is the same base. So angle A is equal to angle D. So angle A is equal to, that is 110 degree answer. Next question, that sixth question. ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means, you know that I will be explain what is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. Cyclic means the sum of opposites angle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. That is a cyclic. That is given angle DBC. Angle DBC. It means this one angle is given that DBC is equal to DBC 30 degree. 30 degree. And 70 degree. DBC is given 70 degree. And then angle BAC. BAC. That is given 30 degree. 30 degree. So we need to find that angle BCD. BCD. This one angle we need to find that. So how that will be find? Angle, first of all we will write that DBC. DBC is equal to 70 degree. And angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to, that is given 30 degree. So first of all we will take that same base. Which same base we will take that? Suppose we are taking of this one same base, then this angle and this angle will be equal. Not. If we are taking this same base, so this angle and this angle will be equal. So this will be same. Okay. By same base DC, angle DAC is equal to angle DBC is equal to 70 degree. So angle DAB is equal to 70 plus 30 is already given. So that 100 degree. That is 100 degree. Now, but we need to find that one angle. That is cyclic. So angle DAB plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. So that angle DAB plus 100 is equal to, we have find out this one. This one is 100. Sorry, DAB we have find here 100. And then plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. So angle, we need to find that BCD, yes. So BCD is equal to 180 minus 100. So that is equal to 80 degree. That is the answer. And then it's saying if AB is equal to BC, if AB is equal to BC, if AB is equal to BC, AB is equal to BC, if AB is equal to BC, then we need to find that ECD, this is the E, ECD is equal to, now we will find that one. These angles are equal, these sides are equal, AB equal. So angle BAC, that will be angle BCA is equal to angle BAC, because these two sides are equal. So angle BCA is equal to, that is 30 degree. Now angle that we need to find that ECD is equal to that total is 80 degree and then this one is a 30 degree, so 50 degree. This is the answer. Seventh question. If diagonal of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameter of a circle through the vertex of the quadrilateral, prove that is a rectangle. Seventh question. Diagonals are, that is a diameter. It means this is the center. So we need to prove that this is the rectangle. We need to prove that this is the rectangle. Diameter of this one. So A, B, C, D, and this will be O or any point, right? You can see here that AB is equal to the AC, so that see that in triangle ABC, AC is diameter, so angle ABC is equal to 90 degree by the semicircle. Similarly, angle BA, similarly angle BAD is equal to 90 degree, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree, angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. If all angle are 90 degree and then diagonals are equal, so ABCD is a rectangle. ABC is a rectangle. Now the eighth question. Eighth question will be that if the non-parallel side of a trapezium are equal, suppose this A, B, C, D, these lines are equal. Prove that is a cyclic. So that we will draw this one parallel to this one, E. This will be also equal with them, right? Now we need to prove that angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So that will be cyclic. So that angle A plus angle AE, that is a 1, 2. Suppose that is a 1, 2. So angle 1 is equal to 180 degree by the parallelogram, because that is a parallelogram. That angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, that will be 180 degree by that will parallelogram, by that linear pair, and then angle 2 is equal to angle B also by equal opposite sides. If the opposite sides are equal, then that is a equal. Now on the place of this one we can write that and angle A plus angle D is equal to also 180 degree by parallelogram, and then that will be equation first, second, third, fourth. By these equations, that what we will do, that angle A cancel by angle A, so that from equation first and fourth, angle A cancel by from equation first and fourth, angle 1 angle 1 minus angle D is equal to 0 degree. So angle 1 is equal to angle D. Angle 1 is equal to angle D. Angle 1 is equal to, that will be angle D. And then after you will be see that 1 is equal to D, and then 2 is equal to that one. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, and then on the place of angle 1 that will be placed D, angle D, and then on the place of angle D that is equal, so that will be angle B is equal to 180 degree. So A, B, C, D is a cyclic. Now the question number 9, that is the only puzzle diagram is given here. Ninth question, that one of the bigger circle and then one is the just small circle is given, that by that and then this is a common point, and this one also join, this one also join. This is the question. A, P, B, that will be obviously A, C, D, Q. Okay. Now, two circle intersect at a 2 point BC and through the B2 line segment ABC. Now A, B, D and P, B, Q are drawn to intersect the circles at AD and PQ respectively. Prove that angle ACP is equal to QCB. ACP, this one angle is equal to this one angle. So that first of all we will join that one. On this one also we will join that. By same base AP, angle ACP is equal to angle ABP, that's the first equation. By same base DQ, this angle DCQ is equal to angle DBQ, that's the second equation. And then angle ABP is equal to angle DBQ by vertically opposite angle, that is the third equation. From equation first, second, third, from equation first, second and third, angle ACP is equal to angle DCQ, proved. And then after question number 10, that if circles are drawn taking two sides of a triangle as diameter, prove that point intersection of these circle lie on the third side. Two circles are there. Circle of the diameter of that two sides are diameter. Suppose this is a diameter, this is also diameter. That means this will be center, and then this will be proved that this point is a, that will be go like this from this point. So this is a third side. This is the third side. It means must be straight. So we need to prove that this is a 180 degree. This is a 180 degree. So by A, B, C, D in triangle ABD, AB is diameter. So angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So in triangle BCD, BC is diameter, so angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. So that first, that is second. So first plus second, angle ADB plus angle BDC is equal to 90 plus 90. That is angle ADB plus angle BDC is equal to 180 degree. It means a straight line. So third side is that prove that the point intersect of these circle lie on the third side. So that is a third side of going from that was an intersection point. The 11th question. 11th question is that ABC and ADC are two right angle at within common hypotenuse AC. Common hypotenuse AC. That is a common hypotenuse AC. And then AC, then here will be B, or here will be D. So that this is the hypotenuse, so that will be 90 degree. This will be also 90 degree. So prove that angle CAD is equal to, that will be CBD CAD is equal to CBD. So that will be also join. That will be also join. So by the same base of this one, by the same base of, which base we will take the same base? Yeah, this will be same. By same base CD. By the same base CD, that angle DAC is equal to angle, that DAC is equal to angle CBD. Proved. 12th question. Prove that the cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. That is a parallelogram. That is cyclic also. Cyclic also, that is, and then A, B, C, D. That angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree by parallelogram. Then angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by cyclic. And then from equation first and second, A cancel. No, that will be from equation first and second, and then like this we will do that. This will be puzzle like this. So angle A is equal to 180 degree minus angle B by the parallelogram this one has done, and then angle A plus angle C is equal to, that will be 180 degree, and then that will be angle A, we know that 180 degree minus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, that will be not applicable of that one. We need to prove that this is a 90 degree on everything. So that angle B, angle C is equal to angle B. This one has a cancelled. Angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C we have already proved here. And then angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So that angle B plus angle B we have proved both are equal 180 degree. So angle B, 2 angle B is equal to 180 degree. So that 290 ja. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. And then AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA by the parallelogram. So ABCD is a rectangle. Okay.